right? So we eat food, it gets broken down to little tiny particles, and it's going to be fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Those then get into the bloodstream, and they're now taken. It's like the kitchen. The kitchen says, dinner's ready, and through the bloodstream, it takes it to the cells. And the cells now are fed the food that you just ate, but now they're tiny little particles. The cells eat it, and then what they do is they process it, they use it to create energy, they use it to optimize your health and to run and to function. And then they say, all right, cool, we ate, we used it, we put that energy to good work, and now we got exhaust. And that exhaust is just like when we have to go to the bathroom, right? We go to the bathroom here, the cells go to the bathroom out the cell walls and outside of the membrane, and so it's the sewage. So it goes and it dumps it into the surrounding environment, which is the lymphatic tissue. So now we have the lymph. And if you recall, 20% of the fluids inside of our body are lymph. 20% is blood, 80% is lymphatic fluid. So most of the moisture that we have in our body is actually the lymphatics, very little is the blood. And it's the most important of the two fluid systems in our body, even though they're both important. The blood is very important, obviously, but by sheer quantity, the lymphatics is there to get rid of the waste because the cells just pooped it out. But guess what? Once it gets pooped outside of the cell needs to be protected from that waste. Right? Just like when we go to the bathroom in modern plumbing, go to the bathroom, we flush it. It leaves. It doesn't just stay in the house with us. Right? It's a good thing because otherwise it would cause disease. It would cause we can't deal with that, like that backed up waste. So the cells are that membrane. We have skin, like I said. Cells have the fat, and the fat is there as a buffer from the excreted waste, which is actually acidic. So when the food gets eaten, it's eaten at a 7 pH, and then it poops out very, very, very acidic waste, which is at a 3 pH, which is really acidic. And so the difference there now, the cell has to be protected from that, and that's what the fat does. So fat protects against acids, right? So that's something that it's really, really important to know because it plays a critical role.